Hello, 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 hello. Okay, wait, my stream audio is on. Rip Van Winkle. You know, your name reminds me of a Geometry Dash YouTuber. His name is Eric Van Wilderman. I don't know, just sounds similar. How are you doing, Eric Van Wilder? The Prime Ejan. Yeah, I got the name from him. I don't really care. I like the name. I'm bored. Makes sense. Makes sense. Oops, wrong thing. I'm gonna continue what we ended off on yesterday. I actually changed a lot of stuff while I wasn't off stream because I took like 1 hour, 2 hour. Oh, what is this? It's fine. Okay, just close that up. So yesterday, after the stream, I took like 2 hour break, and I was like, I want to work a little bit on the project, and I did some stuff. I didn't do anything like huge. I'm still trying to fix a lot of the errors I have. Let it just load. There should be an error here. Yep. And right now, I'm trying to fix a very problematic problem where, yes, this, I don't know, maybe, can I do like this, maybe? This, and this? Nope, like, let's see how cast slice works. Any cast slice. Try cast slice. Unsave function. Okay, so it does some magic stuff. That's amazing. I love when magic is being done. Just use Notepad. Just use Notepad. No errors there. Yeah, true. If you only use Notepad, you're never gonna get any errors. Some might say it's because it doesn't highlight errors, but they're just coping. Okay. Let's see. So this is a type. How do I... Can I do... What traits does this even implement? Wait, where is it? Vertex. Can I go to... No. What is this? How do I check, like... What if I do something like this, maybe? Nope. Expected a trait, found a type. Okay, so this is not gonna work, but what I had an idea. I mean, the extension RC Yeah. I mean, yeah. I had an idea to make a macro. Because, like, when you're doing stuff like this, it actually checks all of it. And come on, I don't want for it to be checked. So I'm gonna make a macro and tell the compiler, yeah, frick you, I have my own stuff now. So here we're gonna have the value. Let's say create shader buffer. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna return a shader buffer. Actually, no, let's make it with these. So it's gonna create a new buffer. Let me copy this, paste it here, and here it's gonna take, and not this. Oh wait, maybe it is gonna take that. No, it's not gonna take that. It's gonna take Bazinga and shader buff. Oh wait, not that. It's gonna take the value. Me stupid. Then in the end, it's gonna return shader buffer, which has our buffer. Let's pass like all of this stuff here. Yeah, oh wait, it doesn't know what fx window is. Oh my god, I'm going to need to pass all of this stuff. Fic Rust, make your own Rust compiler, Holy Rust. Yep, I am not making that. I actually had an idea of making my own language, but then I was like, working? Haha, no. Okay, so all of these are idents. Let me just change this. This basically means ident means a variable name. And this basically means that all of these have a variable name. Like this, and we have to put all of this before each one of them to like say that this is a variable, macro variable to be more precise. So usage type is gonna be this. So in here it's gonna return the buffer. Usage type, usage shader, and the ID. So we created this. For now, let's comment this out. And let our shader buffer be equal to, oh wait, we need to set this to a public macro export. So now we can use create shader buffer. We pass in our window. We pass in this. We pass in. I don't think we can do that, but who cares? Come on, grow up. Expected. Okay, yeah, we can't do that. Need to get let shader usages, and we just copied this out. We paste this here. Then we can use the variable and do the same thing for this. Let shader stages. Wait, which value is this? ID. Okay, create buffer. Expected expression. Oh wait, I didn't specify, yeah, contents. What do you mean there is no create buffer in it? No method create buffer in it found for struct in this current scope. Do I need to make it like this? Yeah, this is an expression. It's supposed to be inside of a block. What me is incredibly confused on what the error is about. Let's see how to make macros again. I probably got something in the syntax incorrectly. Ask macros. Let's see. Oh yeah. I need to make double. Le double. Use web GPU device create. Yeah, but this is what I had. Okay, let's see. What is the problem here first? So expected enum result or string. Why did you expect a result or a string? Why did you expect that? Does this overlap with something? Or am I not getting something? Nice VS Code theme. I think I'm going to rise my Linux with this color palette. I have been looking at this. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna change my theme to a different version of that theme. Amazing, only the background changed. Soft. Yeah, I like soft. Soft looks nice. It's a little bit on the bright side, but what if I remove this? Who needs this? Come on. I don't need this. I'm a genius. The solution was just setting it to be a slice. Wow, I am gigantic, ginormous brain. Let's see, does this work? It doesn't work, I know that for sure. Yeah, this is a weird error I'm getting. Error matching shader stages fragment. Let's go to our fragment shader. Oh my god! Wait, does this need to be like up there? No way. No way. No way, queen. Alright, let's see, let's open another project. Visual Studio Code, file, open folder, Rust, this one, select, vertex. I mean, it doesn't seem like we need to set it up there. Nope, yeah, that's not the thing. I mean, it makes sense, why would it be the thing? If you have any like other nice themes, I would like to see them. Like, this is ugly, this is so ugly, oh my god. This is a nice one. I've used this for a very long time. Like, as soon as I started Rust, I used this theme for like 2 months or so. I really liked it. I don't know why. Now that I look at it, I'm not a big fan of it. Oh, that's no, no, no. Solarized. Oh my god, this is like a. Oh yeah, light themes. Wait, Groovebox light soft. Nope. Then it was hard. Nope, none of these. Okay. I remember there was. What is this? Oh, this is just the Groovebox theme, but it has like no highlights at all. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna keep on using the soft one for now. It's soft and nice. I got the theme, by the way. I got the theme from, let me show you who. You probably know him. This guy, this MF. Like, let's open one random of his, like, a random video of his. Yeah, see? It is almost the same. It's pretty similar. The theme he has is a little better. I like it more, but I couldn't find the exact replica of it for VS Code at least. Yeah. I love GDH. He makes amazing content. I don't use a specific one. I pick one I like and forget about themes till I reinstall my OS. I also like. The only reason I remembered about like my theme was if I open YouTube in a new tab. Oh, it opens it there. Oh my god, I don't like that. If I open YouTube real quick and go to my channel. By the way, opening YouTube on another channel because I have the weirdest recommendations ever and I do not want anyone to see them. Even though like I'm subscribed to normal people mostly. Like, come on. If I go to this video. Like, someone just said, what color schema do you use for VS? I was like, schema? Okay. But yeah. And I just remembered randomly. No thanks, I do not want to improve Google. I'm against AI. Yeah, I watched some of his videos. Okay, I already read that. Okay, so let's see. Our next problemo, our next bigo problemos is... What was it? Oh yeah. Learn WebGPU. I was building my thing. Let's go to buffer and indices. I was following this, like, I started recreating it, seeing if I can do the exact same stuff that it does here, but using my framework. It actually works pretty well without, like, using the shader buffer. Because, like, if I go here, and let's just remove the shader buffer, I don't think that's the only thing I need to do, though. Let's say that's the only thing I need to do. And also, if I remove this and I just run this. Yeah, see? Oh, what? No, what? Why is it still trying to access something? Oh, is it because in the shader there is this? Let's see. If it's still gonna give me an error, okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. Basically, it does work as long as I don't set this thing. I am wondering, maybe it's because I'm not setting the vertex layouts? Maybe, you know? Actually, you know what as well? I'm gonna turn on my camera because, like, streaming with the camera is really cool. Let me quickly see if I turn... Actually, no, I'm not gonna be doing it right now. I changed my mind real quick. Let's see, so the vertex buffer, we create the buffer. Buffer usage is vertex. Am I setting the usage correctly? Vertex. This label doesn't matter. Get name of type. Rust. Let's go to the buffer creation, and our label is going to be type name of type T. Oh, fish syntax. Yes, I love fish syntax. Also, it's the problem. Yeah, this. Let's see, actually, what label is it? Print line. This. No, let's do it without the sum. This is a normal string, so I can normally print it. I don't need to set up a debugger. Boomer shooter vertex. Yeah, that's good enough for me. I mean, it's automatically generated. That's better than setting it every time. Let's see, is Rip Van Winkle still here? Rip Van Winkle 27 is still here? That is insane. Okay, let's see. So I go back here. So after we do this, we implement plot and zeroable. So what do I do with it? We need to tell the render pipeline to use this buffer. So we create a vertex buffer layout. Isn't there a macro for creating it? Or is it not for this? Oh yeah, you put it in a function, and then you get it. Okay, so I do need a vertex. Okay. So I'm gonna have to simplify the creation of this, or I can not give a frick and just make the user make it themselves, because yes, I'm a evil little man. Come on, I can do it from memory. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it anymore. I can do it just myself. I implement vertex function description, and here it's gonna do. Oh wait, I need to get self here. In here, I'm gonna do const attributes. It's gonna be web GPU vertex attribute array. 0 is gonna be float 32 times 3 in a color. Oh wait, and 1 is gonna be float 32 times also 3. C, I also need to set the do 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 do. Celeste music is amazing. Okay, and in here we return the vertex buffer layout. So it's gonna be web GPU vertex buffer layout. Okay, I forgot. Oh, I should not have looked because I forgot if it was a function or if it wasn't a function, and I don't remember any of those. Let me just copy this. Wait, why does it have 3 values? Oh wait, no, I'm just insane, yeah. Vertex layouts. Where am I creating vertex layouts? So when creating this, I need to pass in vertex description. I can easily do this in a macro though. That is possible. I think. I mean, at least this part is possible in a macro. I mean, anything is possible in a macro. The problem is that I don't know them that well to make stuff like this as an argument. Like, it's pretty difficult. Okay. Now we can use it when we create the render pipeline. Let's see. Can we? Can we? I can of wee. Create render pipeline, buffers. Yep. I am setting it there. Let me close this thing. Yep. One more thing, we actually need to set it. Okay, let's set it. It's already set. Oh wait, I need to set the vertex buffer, not the bind group. Oh wait, what is the freaking? Oh, what is the shader? This is the shader. Let me do Control C, Control V, because I love writing shaders so much. It's my favorite thing ever. Yeah. And then we don't need that. Yeah, set vertex buffer. So instead of bind group, dot set vertex buffer slot, the first slot. Wait, then how does it look then? Where's the input? Where are we doing the input? How the hell are we? Oh yeah, it's type of vertex input. And here, buffer slice, that is our vertex buffer. And our vertex buffer is what? Wait, what is our vertex buffer? Wait, where is our vertex buffer? What? Self.vertex buffer. Okay. So this is vertex buffer. Where's the where are we setting the vertex buffer? Am I blind? Let's see. Let's copy this and find it. Vertex buffer, vertex buffer, vertex buffer. Oh, device create buffer. Oh, we need to save the buffer. Oh, this adds so many problems now. Okay. Okay. So we have a thing to add a binding group. We're not using it though. We are going to be using public function add buffer mutable of self, and we are keeping the shader buffer. Yep, we are keeping the buffer here. So we are gonna get the buffer type shader buffer, and in here we're also gonna do a new it's gonna be a vec shader buffer. So we just save it as well, and then here we do self dot shader buffers dot push our buffer. So in here, when we are setting the vertex buffer, we're gonna do fx shader dot I should rename this to shader buffers, and in here as well, shader buffers first element dot buffer. And then we do dot slice on this. Okay, let's also do a quick function. Public function get buffer self ID. Oops, ID is 32. Whereas, so we're just gonna do this. Return. Actually, no, we don't need to write the word return here. Just self ID. This is not use editor. This is use size, as that is used for indexes. Oh, expected found buffer slice. Okay. So here we do a GPU buffer slice. Fx shader dot get buffer 0. Oh wait, I'm not adding the buffer. Oops. Fx shader dot add buffer. And I do just shader buffer. Oh wait, what are the usages again? I forgot. Usage. Okay, so the usage is just that. Okay. So we remove this. Okay, no error. And I might know what the problem is. Well, it's not showing anything. Let's go! We did it, guys! Let's freaking go! Yay! This is amazing. Look at this. And it looks so cool, like this fading thing. I did not plan it at all. Also, while I still know it, public shader. How do I say this? Draw specification. No, how do I call it? Draw method. Okay. I'm gonna make public enum shader draw methods. It's gonna be fill line point. And this is gonna be of type shader draw method methods. Boom, boom, boom. And the default one is gonna be fill. And then let's go down here and where is this? Okay, here we do a match of self dot so it's going to be matching self dot draw method. So it's gonna be if it's shader draw method fill, then in that case it's gonna return web GPU polygon mode fill. Let's copy this 3 times. This is going to be point. This is going to be line. The same goes for here. So line and point. Okay. Now what we can do is, if for example, if we want our shader to draw lines, we just do fx.shader. Oh wait, no, fx shader dot draw method is going to be equal to. Also, while I'm on this, I am not going to be allowing public use of shader buffers and bind groups. Yep, and the pipe. Actually, no. For now, I'm going to allow the pipe, and I'm going to use it. It's going to be shader draw method line. So if I run this, yep, it draws in lines. You can see it, I think. It's pretty bad though. Wait, let me see. Magnifier. Come on. Oh, it can't move normally. What if I do it like here? Yep, I think you can see it. It doesn't look that good with the magnifier. But yeah, it's there. Now, let's see. What I wanted to simplify was this. This is a pretty difficult way of creating a shader in my opinion, but it allows you to like customize absolutely anything that you need. I am gonna probably add some default values probably, I don't know. Let's add a default value to shader descriptor. Where is it? Shader descriptor, implement default for shader descriptor. And this is going to be a function default, which returns the self. Title is going to be a string of dummy shader title. Path is going to be an empty string. Vertex entry is going to be vs main. Fragment entry is going to be fs main. Depth format is going to be false by default. And I just need to add to string, or to owned, I guess also will work. Okay, so now instead of writing all of this useless stuff, I can just do .default. This is so cool. Okay, now that we have that working, we can change this a bit. Let's see, let's implement. Now let's make a trait, public trait. fx draw calls. It's gonna have a function set shader, where it's gonna get a self, immutable self. Then we're gonna do implement fx draw calls for web GPU render pass. I think I can do that, right? Oh, just wait, first we need to do that. Okay. So render pass. Wait, did someone message vMainP? Oh, someone did message me. Okay. Someone already saw the meme I sent. Oh no, my meme is so not cool now. How dare I? Okay. This is gonna be some lifetimes here. I think I can. Oh, I can't. What? Consider borrowing. Option unwrap takes ownership of the receiver self, which moves FX pipeline. You could clone the value and consume it if the WebGP render pipeline If I just borrow it as mutable. That I can do as reference. Yep. I'm a genius. I'm genius. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, now I can do here and shader buffer. I can also have len. It's gonna be a U32, a private one. And what I'm gonna do here is let len equal contents.len, and then I just return it. Okay, this is a U size. Let's go a little bit down now, and function draw buffered. No, draw buffer. Quickly implement the function. So in here, we're gonna be getting two of these guys. So it's gonna do it can only have one buffer per. Let's open the other project again. File, open folder. Where is it? Rust macros. Select this folder. We're drawing. Wait, do we do draw calls here? Yep. So it sets the vertex buffer. Oh, so there is only one vertex buffer. So this. I'm gonna keep it like this for now, I guess, then, if it's only one. So this is just gonna be draw. I'm gonna call it like this for now. And then I can do function draw shader instanced. And just do same thing here, but we get instances. Wait, when it passes the instances, it gets it a range of U32. Yep. So using this, import. What import? std ops range. So this is going to be draw shader. So we draw shader instanced. It's going to get this, and it's going to be instances fx shader dot get buffer 0 dot len. Oh wait. Size. So now down here, we're gonna do dot get len. Why didn't I make it public? I did. Okay, I guess I am gonna have to keep it as public. This and probably this as well. That means that let me just keep len also public and then just close this up. So it's gonna draw dot shader buffers. Len. As utility. This is no, I don't like this system. No, I'm gonna delete these two functions for now. Cannot borrow fx shader as immutable because it's also borrowed as mutable. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit different than without mutable here. Still works. Wait, what I could have used as reference all that time? Oh my god. So it sets the shader. Then I wanted to draw the model. Okay, how much time have I been streaming for now? Almost an hour. The thing is that I also need to check if I can draw textures. The index buffer. Oh, did I see an error? No. So I guess public vertex buffer, index buffer. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, so I set this and that. This is vertex buffer. We're gonna need to do absolutely the same thing for, what is this? No, let's close this for now. Vertex contents. And index, wait, what is it called? Index contents. Also type, so we won't need this anymore because all of them are gonna be, actually wait, let's not delete it yet. This is gonna be an option value. That means that it's probably, it can be none or it can be some. This is also going to be an option. So I'm gonna check if if index contents dot is sum, then I'm gonna let index buffer equal it's gonna return, let's copy this, so it's gonna return not indices, but okay, wait, I also need to do vertex contents here. Index contents dot unwrap, else none, and no comma there. Usage index name is gonna be wait, indices are going to be passed as a different value though. Yep. So this, and also so this is v and I. No, you init. This is going to be option of I. This is going to be option of v. V I. Okay, and this also returns the index buffer. Oh, I forgot device create. Oh, let me then remove all of this. Where are the errors? Are they here? So with the index buffer, let's go up here, vertex len, let's copy this, it's going to be index len. No, no way. There, I'm using len also somewhere else, right? Nope, I'm not. Okay. I thought I was. Let's see, up here. Let's also create a indices. Let's copy all of this. Okay, so I don't need usage type anymore. No, I do though, right? I am. Okay, this is gonna go in the very end of everything. Okay, my brain is about to explode. Also, what is the problem with here? Expected option? Why did you expect option? What? You expected what? Why does this need to be wrapped in some? Oh. Okay, okay. Yeah. So now with that, I can go down here. I guess I can keep it this way because the vertex buffer will change, but if I'm making an index buffer, then it's always going to be index. So I can keep this usage type and usage shader. Because this doesn't seem to have usage for shaders, yeah. Okay, that's good. So then we set the vertex buffer, also the index buffer. From what I'm getting, there's only one buffer though. Like if I go to here, open folder, where is it? This. And then go here. Yeah, there's only one vertex buffer. And this is like a very complex, this can be like a very, very complex model. So I guess I don't need multiple of those, so I'm gonna change that. To an option for now. Because I'm not gonna be setting this. It's gonna be none. This is gonna change some stuff. For example, get buffer. I'm not gonna pass in the ID. And instead of this, I'm gonna be using unwrap. Add buffer, set buffer. So this is going to be FX shader. Not get buffer. No wait, dot. Shader buffers dot unwrap dot. And I'm also gonna have to change the name of this to shader buffer. It seems very complex to use right now, but I'm just making abstractions to use in the future. Some might say this is not a good idea, and I absolutely agree with you. Do I care? Nope. Okay, let's see, let's run this. Oh, yeah, kinda expected. It's gonna draw indexed. How does it do? FX shader dot num dot buffer dot number len index len. Base vertex is always going to be 0, and instances is going to be 1. Okay. This draws. This is still complex, but like, I don't really know what to remove here. Like, making a shader like this allows you to make a shader for literally anything. I'm just thinking like maybe it can be simplified. I actually think this is a good idea, what I'm doing right now, because what I'm doing is you can say that I'm following the Learn Web GPU thing. I'm not really following, I already know all of this. But what I am doing is well, this is where it creates the textures, yeah. But like what I'm doing is I'm seeing how it does it here, and I'm trying to simplify it for what I'm doing, and this way I am, yeah, I think this is a better way, because at least for this start, everything else is just not good, but at least this start has, is like, the progression here is really good. So I guess I'm just gonna be like looking, I'm not gonna be reading any of this, of course, I'm just gonna be quickly looking through all of this. But for example, for the texture, we already have all of that. Getting the texture view and the texture sample. So yeah, that's nice. But even though we haven't streamed for a long time today, I am still proud of what we did today. I'm probably gonna end this. I know it's sad. I know that there's so many people watching this right now. Yes, so many. Exactly. Not even Rip Van Winkle is here. Extremely sad moment for all of us. But I think that's gonna be it for today, as I have done a lot of stuff. It's not good. Believe me, it's not good. It's my first time doing something like this. I'm proud. And yeah. So that's gonna be it for today. Anyone who... Oh my god, it's even Palmer. We're ending a stream on Palmer for like the 3rd time already. Or maybe even 4th. Okay, well, that doesn't matter. Anyways, thanks everyone who was here today. I highly appreciate it. And see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.